How much should you actually spend on a wireless intercom system? Some people are thrilled with the cheap options, while others are left disappointed by the pricier ones. It's a bit puzzling, but today we're going to break it down for you.
Product number 1, HawSmart UltraSpeak Pro. Let's start with the HawSmart UltraSpeak Pro. This intercom system caught my eye because of its straightforward design and solid price of $98.69. If you want an easy-to-use intercom that delivers clear audio, this is worth a serious look. What makes this intercom a good choice? First off, the full duplex communication means you can talk and listen simultaneously, making conversations feel natural. Plus, it boasts a range of up to 1,200 feet, so whether you're in the kitchen or the garage, you're covered. The sound quality is crystal clear, which is what you need to communicate effectively, especially if you're managing a busy household or office. Now, some people did mention that they wished it had a battery option for more flexibility, but here's the thing. The plug-in design ensures you get consistent power and quality sound. If you're looking for reliability over battery life, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a simple solution for communicating across your home or office. Skip this one if you need something portable or battery operated. For its price, you're getting great value for a solid intercom system. Now, if the lack of portability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, HawSmart Intercoms Wireless for Home UltraSpeak Pro. Another offering from HawSmart, the Intercoms Wireless for Home UltraSpeak Pro, priced at $134.99. What stood out to me here is that it's designed for larger spaces with up to 6 stations. If you want connectivity across multiple rooms, this one deserves your attention. This system also features the same easy setup. Just plug it in and you're good to go. With a range of 1,200 feet, it's perfect for communicating from room to room, and the sound quality is just as impressive. You won't miss a word, whether you're at home or in the office. However, I did notice some complaints about the size being a bit bulky for smaller spaces. But honestly, that's a minor concern if you're looking for a system that can handle multiple stations and maintain excellent sound quality. This is perfect for you if you have a larger home or office and need multi-room communication. Skip it if you're looking for something compact for just a couple of rooms. Overall, it's a solid investment for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a budget-friendly choice.
Product number 3, HawSmart UltraSpeak Intercoms. Let's check out the HawSmart UltraSpeak Intercoms, which is priced at just $48.75. Honestly, this caught my attention because it offers great value for those not looking to break the bank. If you want an affordable intercom that still delivers clear sound, this is worth considering. Like its pricier siblings, this intercom system also has full duplex communication and a range of 1,200 feet. It's designed for easy use. Just plug it in and you're ready to chat. Plus, it's perfect for various settings, whether it's your home or a small office. Now, some users pointed out that the sound quality isn't as premium as the higher-end models. But here's the thing. For its price, you're still getting a reliable intercom that's easy to set up and use. It's a great choice if you're just looking for basic functionality without spending too much. This is perfect for you if you need a basic, cost-effective option for intercom communication. Skip it if you're after advanced features or higher sound fidelity. For anyone on a budget, you can't really go wrong with this one. Now, if you're looking for something that offers advanced features and even better range, let's move to the next product. Product number 4, Intercoms Wireless for Home Upgraded. We have the upgraded Intercoms Wireless for Home, priced at $102.89. What's impressive is the extended range of up to 5,300 feet. If you're in a larger property or just need more distance, this one's a strong contender. This system is designed for hands-free communication, so you don't even have to press a button to talk, which is super convenient. Plus, it features multiple channels to avoid interference and has a clear sound quality, which is essential for effective communication. However, some users noted that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not tech-savvy. But honestly, once it's set up, the ease of use and functionality far outweigh any initial hassle. If distance is a priority for you, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you live in a larger home or need extended range for your intercom system. Skip this if you're in a smaller space where distance isn't a concern. Overall, it's a strong value considering the features. And finally, if you're looking for something lightweight and portable that still offers solid functionality, the last product might just hit the mark.
Product number 5, Hosmart Ultra Speak Pro, 2 packs for just $48.75. This caught my eye because it offers great value if you need more than one unit. If you want flexibility and sound quality in a cost-effective package, this is worth a look. Just like the other Hosmart models, this one offers clear sound and real-time two-way communication. The range is slightly lower at 1,300 feet, but that's still decent for most home setups. The fact that it comes in a 2-pack is a big plus if you're looking to cover multiple rooms without overspending. However, some users did express that they wished for more channels to avoid overlapping communication, but honestly, for its price point and the functionality it offers, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option with multiple units for different rooms. Skip it if you need extensive features or more than 2 units. For the price, it's hard to find a better deal. And that wraps up our list of wireless intercom systems.
To sum it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic wireless intercom systems. From the user-friendly Hosmart UltraSpeak Pro to the budget-friendly UltraSpeak intercoms, there's something for everyone. Depending on your needs, whether it's multi-room connectivity or affordability, you can pick the one that fits you best. Thanks for tuning in.